donkey, 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 donkeys, 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 goat, 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 goats, 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 mouse, 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 mice, 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 bird, 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 birds, 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 rabbit, 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 fish, 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 donkey or donkeys, goat or goats, mouse or mice, bird or birds, rabbit or rabbits, fish, thanks for watching. Bye.